Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a Valentine's look. This look right here. I did a really bold lip and kind of like a smoky brown soft flirty eye. That was a lot of adjectives. This is the look that I did for Valentine's Day. Since Valentine's Day is right around the corner, I wanted to get this up and out for you guys in case you guys wanted some Valentine's makeup inspo. So yeah, I actually collabed with Jami Swan makeup on this look. So she did a really bold, beautiful eye for Valentine's Day, and I did a really bold lip. So if you want to check out the look that she did, go ahead. I'll go ahead and link her channel down below. I hope you guys enjoy this little tutorial. Get ready with me, whatever you want to call it. I don't know, but yeah. And also, this is like a really bold lip. I didn't have any lip liner to go with this lip, so if you want to use a lip liner, I would totally suggest that, just so that it stays on a little bit longer throughout the night. But this is what I came up with. It's like a fiery engine red, kind of almost orangey lip. I'm really liking it though. Like, I normally don't wear such bold lip colors, but I really like this. And sorry if my voice sounds weird. I'm like kind of sick right now, so yeah, excuse my voice. But yeah, I'm really liking this look, and I'll show like my whole outfit and everything, just for like a Valentine's outfits idea. But yeah, if you guys want to know how to get this look, then just keep on watching.
So I've already laid down my foundation and concealer as well as powder. So you see me here just doing my brows using the Tartlette Amazonian Clay Matte Palette, and I'm using the shades Multitasker on the tail end of my brow and the shade Dreamer on more of the front end of my brows. So next up, I'm grabbing the Tartlette Toasted palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade Latte and placing that into my crease. The other day I dropped my palette and all of the shades got mixed up, so I don't know if that's the exact name of the shade, but I will have all of the shades named and listed down below. I'm next taking the shade Cozy, and with a MAC 217, I'm going to be placing that into the crease. Okay, next up I'm taking these two lighter shades, and I'm going to be using that as a brow highlight. Next up, I'm just going to be blending everything out with my Sigma E40 brush, just so that there are no harsh lines. Now I'm taking the shade Candle on a flat brush and just placing that onto my lid. Now I'm taking this gorgeous dark, almost purpley brown color and placing that into the outer corners of my eyes. Taking this warmer orangey tone shade, and I'm putting this on the lower lash line as well as the shade Cozy, and it's kind of like a almost red color. And then you see me now placing that darker maroon brown shade onto the lower lash line as well. Okay, now I'm taking my favorite liquid eyeliner. This is NYX, and this is the matte black shade, and I'm just placing this all on the upper lash line. Okay, now I am taking Urban Decay's pencil liner in the shade Perversion and just lining my lower lash line. So I'm going to be going back in with that dark brown color. I believe it's called Fireside. I'm not 100% sure, but I'm just going in and I'm blending that all along the lower lash line. Okay, and it does not take a rocket scientist to see here that I am curling my eyelashes. Now I'm just putting a few coats of the L'Oreal Telescopic mascara, and I really like this mascara. I have 0 eyelashes, but it seems to work pretty well for me. Okay, now I am going to be using the Ardell Double Up Double Wispie lashes. Okay, now I'm taking my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil Milk Chocolate Bronzer, and I'm just placing that in the hollows of my cheeks, all along my forehead, and down the sides of my nose very lightly, as well as underneath my lower lip. And just to let you guys know, I do this all while my eyelash glue is drying. That way I'm a little bit more productive in getting my makeup done as quickly as possible, because as you other mamas know, our time is very limited. So using a powder brush, I'm just going to be blending out that contour and any harsh lines. Okay, so now I'm taking this Japonesque blush, and this is the Velvet Touch blush in the shade 02. I didn't want anything too overpowering since I am doing a very bold lip for this look, so I thought that this blush would just be perfect for this look. Now I'm going to be taking my highlighter, which today I'm using my Laura Geller highlight in the shade Gilded Honey. Okay, so now that my eyelash glue has dried, I'm going to be putting those on using a pair of tweezers, and a little tip that I learned is to look down in a mirror while you are placing your eyelashes. That's the easiest way that I've found to put on my lashes. Alright, next up we have the star of the show, which is the L'Oreal Paris lipstick in the shade 350 British Red. And like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is just like a really gorgeous, almost orangey red color. I really like it. It's like a different twist on your average red, and it'll definitely make you stand out on Valentine's Day, that's for sure. So now I'm just going to be going over my lash line with that NYX liquid liner, just to cover up the lash band and just to make sure that my eyeliner is all even on the top. Now I'm taking my Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray and just going to be spritzing that all over my face just to set everything and keep it locked in place all night long.
Alright, you guys, so that was everything you needed to know on how to create this very bold lip, soft, smoky eye makeup look. If you guys have any questions on what products I used or anything like that, everything will be linked down below. If you liked this video, please don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I would love to have you as a subscriber. It would mean so much to me. And yeah, don't forget to check out Jami Swan Makeup's look, her bold eye makeup look that she did. Again, I will link her channel down below. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Are you my Valentine? Are you my Valentine? Say mama, mama. Say whoa, mama, mama. Are you my Valentine? Can you be my Valentine? Say yeah, mom. Oh, oh. Are you my Valentine? Huh? Are you Mama's Valentine? I love you. I love you. I love you so much. I love you. I love you. Look at that kiss mark.
Okay, sorry about the dirty mirror, but this is the outfit. It's just like a long sleeve dress. I don't know if you guys can see it right now, but I don't have like a big tripod, so I can't really show like my whole outfit. And yeah, I'm like, you know, don't have someone else filming me, so, but you get it, you get the point. It's a long sleeve black dress, and I can't remember where I got this dress from. I'll try and link similar ones down below. But yeah, this is just like a really cute, it's like an asymmetrical dress. I'll try and stand up if Harlow will let me, but she's been being really possessive over me lately. But yeah, so I would totally wear this on Valentine's Day. It's just like a sexy black, you know, long sleeve dress, and it's like sexy without showing too much. So yeah, I really like this dress. So yeah, this is like the asymmetrical dress, and yeah, I would probably just wear this with like some black or nude strappy heels. I think that would look really cute, and maybe just like a diamond, like dainty little necklace or something, or like a bracelet, just to kind of like jazz it up a little bit. But yeah, so this is the look. And this is the eye makeup up close. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this little tutorial video on this Valentine's makeup look, and I hope it gave you some inspiration on doing your makeup for Valentine's Day. And even if you're not doing anything special for Valentine's Day, I would totally still wear this look or get ready anyways, just to make yourself feel good. Even if you're literally just like sitting at home watching The Notebook with a heart-shaped pizza. I would totally just, you know, do your makeup, make yourself feel good, like give yourself a little spa night, and just relax, like give yourself a pedicure, do your nails, you know, stuff like that. So yeah. You don't necessarily have to be going out to do this look. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am going to stop rambling like I always do, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.